Now I'm gonna put this on my YouTube. Oh shit. Yo, what's up? The BIGT. It's a video response to Fat Man Jersey. Say looking for a rap battle. Well, I set up your challenge. It's round one. Let's go. Fat Man Jersey. Just a fat dude that's hungry and thirsty. Yeah, I'm about to have you begging for mercy. 911 emergency. BIGT, found a 3 juggalo. Go ahead and tell your friends you never heard of me. Now you seeing me, G. I be your worst nightmare. Bitch, I've been a threat. Put more hoes than you than a Vietnam War vet. Yeah, I know that your feelings are getting upset. I represent the 5-3 clique. Talk shit, duct tape on your mouth, throw you in the ditch. I don't play no games and I don't mess with you lame. Just because we your juggalos doesn't mean that we are the same. You don't want to battle, I will butcher you like cattle. Take you to the butcher shop, leave you hanging on meat, hooks like pork chops. BIGT, I'm on top of the game. You ain't even in my zone. You ain't nothing but an ass clown, saying that you down, homeboy. You don't want to go no rounds, cause your casket's about to hit the ground. About to put you 6 foot deep. You about to be in trouble. BIGT, about to make the rap game bubble. Never, never be another BIGT. I'm too damn clever. You couldn't see me with your glasses on. I'm a giant, you a pussy, that's a leprechaun. BIGT, I say stunting in this bitch. Got the Hatchet Man chain on. About to go ahead and rip about your brain. Now I got sick thoughts in my brain. Bet you wanna take it out and see what I'm thinking on the inside. Like a zombie, I will eat you motherfuckers alive. BIGT, I'm too sick, flow too sick. Go ahead and ask your bitch, she be riding on the dick like a witch does a broom. It's the BIGT, and I'm representing the next natty. Find my threes where I'm from. Go against me, homeboy, I will get you done. There you go, round one. Little quick freestyle, see what you get. Hit me up. And everybody check out my music on my page. Find my 3 click with a K and on the BIGT.